Right, 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, today we're going to be... You're a prick. Welcome back to Vapid Square Tech, and today we're going to be reviewing... iPad. Oh, so you've decided to show up. And funnily enough, this is the 9th generation, so it's brand new, 256 gigs. Bougie. And when I say bougie, I mean, why are you paying £200 extra for a little bit more storage? The Wi-Fi model, so we're not that rich. However, I heavily doubt my sister is going to be playing Movie Star Planet on the go. Right, so I've got my mystery mouse tool, if it will... Let's see if it'll focus. Yes, it did. Yas, Queen, slay. I thought new Apple products had, like, an easy way of opening them now, but I guess not. Anywho, yeah, I got it. Right, cool. That's the first time it's actually worked. Right, so as I said, this is for my sister. Bless her little soul, sport brat. Never in my life would have I got a brand new iPad on a random day like this, but I guess her old one did break, so she went from a 7th to a 9th. Lucky bastard. Can you stop?
I just want to sleep. You're going to cut this out, yeah?
Sure, right, let's go. Don't. Quiet. I need quiet. Sometimes it comes out better. It should. Alright, it's coming out though. Can you see if it's...
Yes, it's peeling away.
Performance issues. There we are. Just get that stuck in the middle, but here we are. It's using a paper film rather than the plastic used before.
Saving the environment.
And that's why we don't have any power bricks or cables anymore.
No, neither did my watch. My Apple Watch only came with a cable.
See, that's only recent. Right, so let's open this bad boy up. Look at that beauty. It's actually quite big.
That's what she said. My pussy hole.
No, that's not what... Right, let's see if it's got a charge. There we are, so it turns on. Designed by Apple in California. Oh, that is sick. That right there. The way it's doing that. Sick. Love it. So let's look at the paperwork. iPad? iPad? Anything else? Or is that it? Let's go! We got the Apple sticker! I think that's literally it. There might be more. No, there's not. Disappointing, but even seeing none of these. Don't know that. Cool. And then, because this is the new 9th gen, we get a brand new... It's all going to ruin the packaging. It is, if it will focus, new USB-C to Lightning. I don't know why they can't just do Lightning to Lightning. They do it on the iPad Pro and iPad Air, so like... Come on. I don't know if you want to go through the setup process real quick because I'm going to have to sign into Apple ID. Go press home button. I guess this is useful because it's the brand new one that is similar to macOS. Similar to macOS is it's got like the carved out rather than it being a whole white screen. So, and then it has like the little animations here. Don't know if you can see that. Can you see it? Somewhat. Go English, UK, setting language. What mate? On British, innit? Quick start. Bring your current iPhone out. We can't do this. Choose a Wi-Fi network. Yeah, I'll sort this out in a bit. Right, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in a bit. I won't be doing a review on this because obviously it's not mine, but I can tell you, if you want a cheap, lightweight iPad that can do somewhat multitasking, so like Word, Excel, you want something that's a bit cheaper than a MacBook Air, go for the 10.9 inch iPad. You will not regret it. Right, thank you guys, take care, and have a good one.